much for your how to say this? For your what?
Participation.
Hi, thank you very much for your participation. And the first question will be, could you tell me at least 4 impacts of your presence here on the Canary Islands?
Yes, for sure. We arrived by plane and then we took the bus, the TUI companies, it was like a bus to
Yes.
and we are here in a hotel for like 1 week, so we are using the resources of the island and we are trying to work on it. We don't really.
And also, would you agree to pay €1 daily to invest in environmental protection of Canary Islands?
Would this be like €1 daily, like every day?
Yeah, every day.
So it's like 365.
Oh, no, only when you
It's like, yeah, sure.
like 7
Like
days,
as a
€7.
special test.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, this makes sense.
How will you compensate your impact as a nation during or after your holiday in the islands?
Well, first, because we are trying to organize like something of buses and we don't rent a car, and secondly, as my partner said, we don't have children.
Okay.
And then, of course, we are trying to cover our CO2, this footprint,
Yes,
reduce
yes.
the emissions.
And could you tell us your age and country of residence?
Sure. I'm 36 years old, country of residence Portugal.
Okay. And do you have some comments?
No, thank you very much for the facility.
Thank you a lot.